Welcome to ACM Shorts, where today's topic is efflorescence. Now, efflorescence can be complicated. It could happen in your plant, it could happen out in the storage yard, or even when it's being installed. Efflorescence can occur in any manufactured concrete units, like pavers, SRW, or CMU, and it's usually observed as a white deposit on the surface that could present a slight haze or even a crusty layer. The white haze or layer is usually made up of salts produced during the cement hydration process. Over time, the salts dissolve in the water and migrate back up to the concrete surface. So, when will efflorescence occur? Unfortunately, it's quite hard to predict. However, what we do know about efflorescence is there are four factors that must be present at the same time. The four factors are a source of soluble salts from the cement, sufficient water to dissolve the salts, pathways for the solution to migrate, and a driving force to get things moving. For example, if we have pavers of low density and high absorption, it likely means there are a lot of pathways that moisture can move through. Pavers stored and installed during a dry season may not exhibit efflorescence because there is not sufficient water to move the dissolved salts through the concrete. Of course, this can change next season if there is a lot of rain and now there is sufficient moisture for efflorescence to occur. It's important to recognize that efflorescence is not a structural problem for concrete units. It does not affect the strength or durability, but it is unsightly and lowers the perceived value of the concrete. Thanks for joining us for this ACM short. We'll see you next time.